So most people think the hardest part of AI is catching up. The truth, you're not behind, you're drowning. That's right, drowning in the new tools, the constant updates, and the endless noise about the smartest model ever. God, if I hear that again, my head will explode. And that's the trap. Every week, the new shiny object drops, and suddenly you feel like you're already obsolete. But here's the good news. The problem, it isn't you. The problem is that no one has ever handed you a clear roadmap. So today, I'm gonna break down the 3 biggest roadblocks that are holding people back with AI and the exact strategies to overcome them. And by the end, you'll see how to stop chasing every shiny object headline and finally build an AI system that works for you. So challenge 1 is tool paralysis. Every single tech company is screaming the same thing loud and clear. Our model is the smartest. No, ours is most advanced. Wait, ours is the fastest, the cheapest, and the best on the market. And you know what? The hype creates paralysis, because if every new tool is ultimately the best, then why bother learning any of them? Another good one is just gonna come out in a couple of days or minutes, right? So here's the reality. Not every tool is worth your time. In fact, most aren't. Instead of chasing 100 tools, you need what I call a minimum viable toolkit, which I modeled off minimum viable product for businesses to get going. So think of it like this. What's the smallest set of AI tools that covers 80% of your needs? Not 1,000 features, not maybe I'll use it someday, just the essential few, the skeleton core few that will make your life easier right now. So here's how to build it. 1, spot your reoccurring needs. Research, summarizing presentations. What tasks drain your time every single week, every single day, and every single hour? Number 2, match 1 tool per need. Test a couple, pick the one that's fast, reliable, and ultimately user-friendly. Ultimately, this should be saving you time and not costing you a ton of time consistently learning and adapting to it. And number 3, commit to mastering that single tool until it's second nature. So what's the secret? Tools only become powerful once you stop hopping in and out of them, in between them, and start mastering each individual one. You need to know it to be able to use it efficiently, and then it ultimately saves you time. And here's the reframe. If a new tool pops up tomorrow, you don't need to panic. You already have your toolkit. New features are just optional. They're not oxygen. So challenge 2, death by prompts. We've all heard of prompts, right? Now let's say you do pick a few tools. There's still another trap that kills consistency. What is it? You guessed it, prompts. You know the feeling. You got the perfect prompt written down somewhere, but you're not about to type it 20 times a day. So what happens? You just don't use it. Or you're stuck in analysis of prompt after prompt after prompt. You're saving all these prompts, but you're not actually using them. That's what I call death by prompts. So the fix is simple. 2 strategies here. The first one, automate access. Use a text expander or shortcut app so your favorite prompts are literally 2 keystrokes away. Suddenly, that perfect prompt becomes usable every single day. The second one, embed prompts where you'll need them. Instead of hiding prompts in random notes and documents and all over the place in different areas, attach them directly to your workflow, your calendar, your project sheet, or your task list. That way, when you're in the moment of work and the AI is there waiting, there's no friction, there's no forgetting, there's no speed bumps or potholes. Bam, it's smooth sailing. That one shift alone takes AI from cool experiment to daily habit. So here's the system that solves that. It's called the impact loop. Step 1, selective learning. Don't follow every update. Choose 1 or 2 curators. That's it. Whether newsletters, podcasts, or channels that consistently filter the noise for you. That's it. No paralysis analysis. Or wait. Analysis paralysis. It's been a long day. Step 2, schedule action. Block 1 hour out a week just to test just one thing that you learn. Not everything, just one. Because the real difference isn't consuming more updates, it's actually implementing more often. 30 minutes of action beats 30 hours of passive scrolling doing nothing, clearly. Wait, so let's zoom out here for a minute. The real problem isn't that you're behind AI. The real problem is that without a strategy, AI will always feel like an arms race that you literally can't win. But once you build your minimum viable toolkit, kill death by prompts, and run your impact loop, suddenly AI stops being overwhelming and starts being your real advantage. You don't need every tool. You don't need every prompt. And you certainly don't need every single update. Just stop already. What you do need is a system that works. So you got to ask yourself right now, are you chasing every shiny tool, or are you building a system that compounds over time? I will watch this video myself because I need to hear this a few more times before it really sinks in. And I believe you should too. And if this helped you through the AI noise, stick around because I got a few more videos in line here and on this channel that will ultimately benefit you in how to decide on what to use, what agents are best, and exactly what I'm doing in my workflows, right? We also talk about this in a school group, link below. See you there.